My stomach hurts, man. Filling me up with all this negative energy and shit. Like, I don't even know. What's the point? Like, I don't even. You just make me feel like shit sometimes. I think you should start to know that, because as soon as you do, you can start to accept that you're the piece of shit.
Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving I'm in. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. I must sleep, overdose on empathy. My pops and me, one screenshot to me. The streets are free,
Wow. Pretty.
So cool.
It is. Oh, crab. You see him? Yeah.
Oh yes.
So today is day 5 and it's kayak day. You excited for kayak?
My boy Ricky for the way up the time. Proud of driven, but it's nothing with the time and grind. Take the time, tripping over space and time. My mind in line, spinning like a god of time. My modest mind, speaking from the heart of kind. A way to find another way to pass the time. I made my mind a spacious kind of race. Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest won't come in. Funny how you back for the loving. I got one too many tricks on my sleeve. I mustn't leave. Overdose of empathy, my pops and me. More screenshots of me, the streets are free. Go ahead and take from me. Break a mirror, fly fire with fear. Kicking the highest gear, you're on the highest tier. And when you're contemplating battle nation break, don't erase a fight, we'll take a say. Take the middle road, hate to hear. Go break the spirit, go waste the years. So tell yourself you believe enough. When the time's rough, it's kinda hard to hear it. So I'm holding big dreams, sending you a plan for a life of scheme.
The shopping, the market, like the one like can't be beautiful. They're going there.
Excited. We cannot really see because it's dark and